everyone, welcome to the Heritage Souk by Tamasha. We are here at Travelers Home for 2 days, today and tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m.
We have a little something for everyone. We have menswear, we have women's wear, Navratri collection, accessories. So come on, let's check it out.
From vibrant chaniya cholis to something that is trending these days, along with beautiful jewelry options, we have a lot of options in chaniya choli, men's wear, and all this is happening at Travelers Home. And if you want to check out the collection, swipe left. So this is brand Manchika, and as you can see, they have beautiful corset blouse and chaniya options. And looking at other collection also, beautiful. Look at that. Something different in blouses में अगर आपको जाना है तो you can go for these as well.
This is 50 meter flare.
50 meter flare है पूरा. Okay.
Any color can be customized.
Okay.
We use kachi and authentic pieces.
Okay. So they use. Wow. अगर long में पूरा कुछ चाहिए, you want something in contrast. It's a mix of tradition and western. So you can definitely. Oh, the viral Alia Bhatt. Very pretty. So look at that. So they've maintained the culture and making it a little trendy as well. We have blouses के भी options जो मुझे यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं.
We do menswear also.
Okay, so they are into menswear also. So this is brand House of Kyra.
Hi, and I'm the founder. I'm Drashti.
Okay, so they have brought beautiful 9 to 5 brass पर आपको German silver पर beautiful collection of jewelry. So something in tight chokers, something in chokers, something તમને long માં જોઈએ એ બી છે એમની પાસે. They have earrings માં બી બહુ જ beautiful. Oh, look at that. So these are all very pretty. એની સાથે સાથે they have kada options as well. As you can see, a lot of options. Something like this in long if you're looking for.
This is our limited collection.
Okay. So this is their limited collection. Beautiful. These are all rings ma options છે એમની પાસે. Along with that, they have these pieces for all the brides or people looking something for their trousseau. So any matter, this is the perfect find. So this is brand Tavisha Jewels, and as you can see, she's wearing a beautiful statement piece. All these are 18 karat gold plated, beautiful 9 to 5 silver jewelry. इसमें आपको statement pieces मिल जाएंगे, कुछ long में options मिल जाएंगे, beautiful choker sets. Then they have beautiful earrings as well. Very pretty. Look at that. Something in loose bracelet styles as well. Something in statement pieces. That's a choker style. Very pretty. Along with that, उनके पास कड़ा के भी बहुत सारे options हैं. These are all very pretty, very versatile. Again, some statement pieces in rings as well. Look at that. With some neck pieces, जो भी you can use as statement pieces. Look at that. Very pretty. So this is brand Naomi Couture. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So as we all knew, we have light weighted dresses.
Okay. कुछ light weighted लेकर आए हैं वो. Yes, very beautiful. Santoon silk है ये पूरा.
You can get colors in this.
Colors मिल जाएंगे आपको.
Then we have festive colors.
Okay.
इसमें भी 2 colors हो जाएंगे.
Very pretty. These are all versatile. So not just Navratri,
Then
but you
we
can
have
wear
in
them.
Chanderi. Again, very light weighted and 48 meter कलीज में बना हुआ है
Wow.
ये.
Very pretty.
Then we have white.
वाइट में भी उनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. समथिंग इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट. अगर आपको सेम में जाना है तो सेम भी ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. बॉर्डर्स में जाना है तो उस पर मिल जाएगा.
Then we also have dupattas options.
ओके. दुपट्टा में भी दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. लुक एट दैट.
And then we have blouses.
ओके.
So all the अच्छी blouses जो आपके नवरात्रि कलेक्शन में ऐड करना हो तो.
ब्यूटिफुल.
Then we have spaghetti blouses as well.
Lovely. This is brand Sukoon by Shweta, and hello,
Hi everyone,
ma'am.
this is Sakoon by Shweta. We have pure Ajrak Navratri collection this time for
So
you
this is
guys.
on the hanger, but we'll show you a
Yes.
piece that ma'am is wearing. Beautiful, lovely. I think She's looking very pretty. Okay, yes.
Yes, so we have pure Ajrak Navratri collection this time. These are
Okay.
all one of a kind pieces. You
Beautiful.
can pair them together and buy them separately. We also have some more one of a kind pieces here.
Okay,
And we have some more lehengas with Ajrak applique work.
okay,
These are all the color options that you guys will get. These are some more color options that you just saw that she was wearing. We have some plain mirror work lehengas and blouses as well that you
Okay.
can pair.
Okay.
And we also have a lot of dupatta options here. We have in modal, we have in cotton. You can come and pair them.
Beautiful.
And we have some amazing blouses as well. Your
Lovely.
kachi work blouses.
this is brand Narayani. Hello, sir.
We have a sarees,
Okay, they have
custom
sarees.
blouses.
Beautiful.
We have a blouses, pure fabric with handwork.
Okay,
We have a skirts for Navratri. Original fabric with lumpy border.
okay. Beautiful. Look at the vibrant colors जो उनके
We have a
पास है.
dupatta. Blouse is customized.
Okay. Very pretty. Something like this. पूरा contrast में है white के साथ. Again another contrasting combination. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful.
We have a dupatta chiffon georgette.
Okay. दुपट्टा का भी ऑप्शन है उनके पास. Very pretty. Look at that. So this is brand Kishori Creation and they have come up with their beautiful Navratri set options हैं उनके पास पूरे. Look at that. Something in same color, कुछ contrast में options है. White for all the white lovers. Looks very graceful, very pretty. Look at that. पूरा ब्लाउज में डिटेलिंग का काम है.
बाकी ब्लाउज में ये वाले सारे ऑप्शन है.
ओके, फिर ब्लाउजेज
लॉन्ग में भी है, शॉर्ट में भी है.
ओके, लॉन्ग में ऑप्शन है, शॉर्ट में ऑप्शंस हैं. वेरी प्रिटी. ओके,
बाकी सीमलेस में ये वाला ऑप्शन है. और
Okay.
कलर ऑप्शन और कस्टमाइज
कस्टमाइजेशन अवेलेबल है. कुछ और ऑप्शंस भी देख सकते हैं हम लोग.
ये डिजाइन में इसमें भी सारे कलर ऑप्शंस है.
ओके, इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस हैं. ओके, लवली. लुक एट दैट. दे हैव समथिंग like this as well, पूरा वर्क के साथ. if you want something in kachi work, we have that as well with beautiful design options. So this is brand Indrani and they have brought beautiful collection of chaniya choli, but apart from that they have beautiful phone lanyards with Cody work pura. Yes ma'am, hello.
Yeah, this is how we can hang the phone.
Right.
So we have a beautiful, colorful collection of our Navratri. This is mull cotton.
Okay.
You will get this kind of detailing
Beautiful.
in the dupatta.
Lovely.
For all the bright color lovers, we have this orange one with mirror work detail.
Okay.
And for the black lovers, we have this
Yes.
halter neck
Very pretty.
blouse. This is for 15 meters of flare.
Okay.
And for all the pastel lovers, we have this
Very pretty.
with mirror detailing.
Beautiful. Wow,
This is
loving
20
this
meters of
piece.
flare.
Beautiful. So this is brand Beyond Basic and as you can see, ma'am is dressed in her beautiful collection. Yes ma'am. So उनके पास बहुत सारे options हैं in नवरात्रि के. If you want something in the same color, something in contrast, something in full sleeves, beautiful options. For all the white lovers demanding white, the gracious beautiful white. Look at that. Very pretty with a contrast dupatta. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Along with all this, she has beautiful festive wear also. So you can pair these for Navratri, for Diwali, for Ganesh Chaturthi pujas. Look at that. Something in shirt options. Beautiful. कुछ sleeveless में अगर चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा with beautiful detailings on the edge of it. Look at that. Very pretty.